In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and set up a new Etsy seller account. We'll walk through the full onboarding process from the moment you open the website to the point where your shop is officially ready to go live. If you're brand new to Etsy, don't worry. This setup is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it in a clear, simple way so you know what to expect at each stage. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to etsy.com/sell. Once the page loads, look for the black button labeled Get Started and click it to begin the seller onboarding process. This is the main entry point for creating your merchant account, and it will take you into Etsy's guided setup flow. Next, you'll be asked to configure your basic shop preferences. This includes choosing your store language, your default transaction currency, and your home country. These settings matter because they affect how your listings appear, how pricing is displayed, and how Etsy structures your account behind the scenes. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate, since these baseline settings help define how your shop will operate. After that, you'll move on to naming your storefront. Choose the name you want customers to see when they visit your shop. It's a good idea to pick something clear, memorable, and relevant to what you plan to sell. Once your shop name is accepted, create a basic placeholder listing and save it. This listing is simply there to help you move forward in the setup process, so it doesn't need to be perfect right now. The important thing is to complete and save it so you can advance past the initial setup gate. The next part involves verifying your identity and preparing your account to receive payments. You'll need to enter your legal tax identity details exactly as required by the platform. Make sure the information is accurate and matches your official records. Then connect an active checking bank account where Etsy can send your deposits. This step is essential because it allows your shop to receive earnings once you start making sales. Finally, turn on two-factor authentication for your account security. This adds an extra layer of protection and is required to officially launch your new seller account. Once that security step is enabled, your fresh merchant account can go live. And that's it. By completing these steps in order, you'll have your Etsy seller account set up, secured, and ready for the next stage of building your shop.